YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Birdman17 coming at y'all with a quick little video today, man. We're gonna be talking about what's it like daily driving the Dodge Charger RT, man. If you've been watching my channel for a little minute, you know I've been whipping the RT since about September 2024. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. You done found the right channel, my guy. Or my lady, shit. You never know. You never know who be watching the channel, but nah. You looking for RT content, bro? You at the right spot. You at the right channel. Welcome aboard. But nah, man. Daily driving the RT, I kind of do want to let the window down so y'all can hear the sound a little bit better. But honestly, I'm gonna save that for like whenever I'm cruising. But daily driving the RT, bro, 100% doable. You could definitely do it. It's a phenomenal car, bro. I see why so many people choose Dodge Chargers. Now, whether or not, damn, that roadkill, shit, the armadillo got fucked up. But nah, whether or not people choosing, you know, a V6, a V8, whatever model they choosing, I could definitely see why they picking this body style. And I mean, when I hop inside the RT, bro, it just like, it always make my day better. Like, I had a long ass day at work today, bro. Hopping inside this bit, hit the gas. I mean, yeah, bro, this shit relaxing, bro. This shit like therapy, but nah. I mean, I came from driving a Toyota Camry, a hybrid at that. My girl, she got a hybrid, another Toyota hybrid vehicle. I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly which one, but I mean, I could still, I mean, whenever I hop inside her car and then I come back to my car, it's like, damn. But, I mean, I still got my Camry. What the hell am I talking about? I still got my Camry, but it's making me money on Turo, but yeah, I still got it. But I mean, bro, this car here, the gas mileage, it's not god-awful, okay? It's not god-awful. It's not the best. Obviously, it's not going to be at, you know, like a Toyota Camry hybrid level. I just hit reset for y'all, and I'm going to just let it go for the rest of this trip. But the gas ain't bad. And this person here, they trying to speed, so I'm going to let them get on. If I wanted to speed and shit, I could. It ain't nothing in it. Like, what? But I ain't on that today. I'm really just like, you know, relaxing. Really just taking me a little stroll, bro. Because, like, sometimes, you know, sometimes you just got to take a stroll. But the gas is good. The size of the vehicle is good. Like, once it gets to the point where, you know, got to throw a damn car seat and shit in the back, bro, it ain't going to be no issue to do that. It's going to be, I mean, it's going to be smooth. Like, the look, my dog, like, I mean, you know what you getting yourself into whenever you picking you up a Dodge Charger RT or shit, or Scat Pack, Hellcat SRT, whatever it is you looking for. Like, people that do shit like this right here, bro, but then like come on, dog. Now you trying to get over again, bro. What the fuck wrong with your ass? Fuck out the way. But like, oh man, it's been a minute since I done pushed this whip, bro. Like, I really just been doing a lot of city cruising. Like, the last 200 miles I drove this car, it was probably just some, like, super chill cruising, you know? But now I'm in it. Now I'm finally behind the wheel. Got me a long straightaway. I could really go all the way down if I wanted to, but I ain't on that today. It's a phenomenal car, bro. You see I'm getting 20 miles per gallon. Obviously, my foot's not on the throttle. I'm going to get over a little bit. Just let it just cruise some more. See how much we get up to. My foot is not on the throttle. You see I'm slowing down. I'm at like 50 miles per hour now. I'm hitting it now. I'm going downhill. I could chill. And you see, it really just depends on how you drive, bro. If you're a person that's like, if you got to be mindful of like how many miles per gallon you get at 24/7, bro, I mean, you could do that. I don't really recommend doing that in this car, though. Just because I feel like it's not necessary. Is that an undie? Oh, hell yeah, that's an undercover. Bro, cooling. You ain't getting me. But nah, I mean, and that's another thing. If you worried about the cops being on your ass, I just pulled up on him, bro. I just snuck up on his ass. He thought, you know, since I'm in a black RT, I'm gonna come through that bitch speeding. But nah, I came through that bitch cruising on some cool shit. So, you know, there's that. But phenomenal car, bro. 10 out of 10 car. Highly recommend it, you know. But yeah, I'm about to slide through this bit real quick. Give me some chicken. And then shit. We're gonna be back on the road. But nah, man. 10 out of 10 car. I got more bangers coming for y'all. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see out of the car, man. Because, I mean, like, this car, bro, you can really do whatever you got to do. If you got some high-speed getaways to get in, you might want to go scat. But if you got some oppas to get away from, you may be able to duck the ops in RT. You never know. I'm sure people done got busy in a V6, so it's really just dependent on the driver, you know. But you can do what you got to do. I'm going to do what I got to do. And I'm going to keep on daily driving this RT, boy. I cannot wait to continue to daily drive this RT. Y'all see I'm at like 53,000 miles. I hope y'all can see that good. Y'all should be able to. 53,618. It's a great car, bro. It's a great car. But yeah, I got to run up in here, grab some chicken real quick. I'm going to probably leave my phone in here so I could just come back.